In today's hyper-connected world, our smartphones have evolved from communication tools to portals of distraction, constantly vying for our attention. They bombard us with notifications, tempting us with endless content. The Lightphone 3 is crafted from an aluminum frame and a matte black finish, giving it a sleek, understated vibe. Running a customized version of Android, the phone is stripped of the Google Play Store rather. It delivers fluidity and reliability where it counts. Making calls, sending texts, and using navigation or calendar features. The Lightphone 3 features stereo speakers that are surprisingly crisp and clear. One of the few new hardware additions to the Lightphone 3 is a rear-facing camera. The phone runs on Light OS, a highly private and secure operating system. Thanks to its modest processor and the lack of power-draining apps and features, the phone lasts well beyond a day. Under typical usage conditions, this makes it ideal for individuals who want to minimize their dependence on external power sources. Charging is fast and efficient via its USB-C port. The phone successfully strips away the excess, leaving only the essential functions of a smartphone. It achieves this without sacrificing on quality or user experience. Subscribe to our channel to never miss another tech update. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you soon. The combination of thoughtful hardware design, intuitive software, and a commitment to privacy makes the Lightphone 3 a standout device in the crowded smartphone market. It caters to a growing segment of tech-savvy individuals who recognize the pitfalls of excessive screen time and digital distraction. In a world dominated by tech giants, the Lightphone 3 stands out as an independent, user-centric alternative. It's a phone that respects your attention, values your privacy, and simplifies your life without compromising on functionality. Unlike conventional smartphones that track user behavior and bombard you with targeted ads, the Lightphone 3 collects no user data, has no tracking, scripts, and features zero advertising. If you're someone who finds themselves constantly distracted by their smartphone, the Lightphone 3 could be a game changer. It allows you to maintain connectivity without the overwhelming noise of social media and other digital distractions. It's also ideal for those who value privacy and security. With its private operating system and emphasis on data protection, the phone gives you back control over your personal information. Moreover, the phone is perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and efficiency. Its clean, intuitive interface and robust battery life make it a reliable tool without the complexities of high-end smartphone. In a nutshell, the Lightphone 3 is for anyone ready to reevaluate their relationship with technology and embrace a more intentional, connected life. The phone respects your privacy by keeping your information, well, yours. The phone also does not rely on Google services. It does not require a Google account for setup, and it does not track your location or browsing history. This aspect makes it particularly appealing for those who are privacy conscious, or who simply want to minimize their digital footprint. Additionally, the phone's software is designed for longevity. Updates are infrequent and typically focused on security patches or minor improvement. This approach ensures consistency and prevents the phone from becoming bogged down with unnecessary features. While it's not designed for high-end photography, it's a practical tool for scanning QR codes, quickly taking reference photos, or capturing moments without the bells and whistles of a full-fledged camera app. The camera experience mirrors the rest of the phone's interface: clean, functional, and efficient. After taking a photo, it resides in a temporary holding area, accessible by swiping up from the home screen. Here you can view, edit, or delete it before discarding it or sending it via SMS or email. There's no gallery or photo editing features, nor is there integration with cloud storage or social media. The intent is clear: use the camera as a tool, not a portal to endless consumption. While they may not satisfy audio files, they're more than adequate for phone calls, podcasts, and voice notes. During calls, the audio quality is clear, and the volume is sufficient for most environments. The phone's microphone performs adequately, ensuring your voice comes through without distortion. Whether you're making business calls or catching up with friends, the Lightphone 3 handles the essentials without fuss. The absence of resource-heavy apps and games ensures a consistently smooth experience. Additionally, the phone's compact size and lightweight design make it comfortable for extended use. The ergonomic simplicity extends to the phone's buttons, which are responsive and well-placed. The fingerprint sensor doubles as the power button, adding a layer of convenience and security. Furthermore, the phone's interface is designed for clarity and ease of use. Its single-column layout ensures that all essential functions are a single swipe away. The interface is highly customizable, allowing users to arrange functions according to their preferences. This level of personalization ensures that the phone adapts to the user's needs, not the other way around. And third-party app support, offering only a curated set of tools such as phone calls, messages, contacts, alarm, calculator, and navigation. These tools are not mere remnants of traditional smartphones. They are thoughtfully designed interfaces optimized for the device's smaller screen and distinct form factor. The UI remains clean, black and white, and avoiding the bright colors or complex layouts found on most modern smartphones. The result is a calm, intuitive experience that doesn't overwhelm or distract. The transition from e-ink to OLED on the iPhone 3 is a significant evolution. While the previous model's e-ink display had its charm, the old screen supports smoother navigation and makes tasks like texting or map reading more visually accessible. The display, while not boasting the vibrancy of mainstream devices, is easy on the eyes and remarkably clear. Despite its compact footprint, it exudes an air of sophistication and durability. The phone's 3.92-inch OLED screen is a substantial improvement over the e-ink display of its predecessor, supporting faster interactions and a more intuitive user experience. The screen, while not boasting the vibrancy of mainstream devices, is easy on the eyes and remarkably clear. The button placement is both intuitive and comfortable, with the power button and volume rocker situated within easy reach. The fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button adds a layer of convenience and security. Thoughtful touches like these underscore iPhone's commitment to a user-centric design that prioritizes function and ease of use. The device includes stereo speakers and a USB-C port, providing a nice balance of utility and simplicity. Notably, the absence of a face-facing camera and face recognition aligns with the phone's focus on privacy and minimalism. Altogether, the iPhone 3's design is a testament to the idea that simplicity and style can coexist seamlessly. This digital deluge often leaves us feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and craving a simpler, more intentional way of living. Enter the iPhone 3, a device that promises a radical shift from this norm. Its tagline, "Less is more." But does it live up to this claim? Is it merely a gimmick or a genuine solution to the digital fatigue we're increasingly feeling? Join us as we dive deep into the world of the iPhone 3, exploring its unique features, benefits, and drawbacks. We will examine how it operates, what sets it apart from conventional smartphones, and whether it is a viable option for those seeking to minimize their tech footprint. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a digital detox seeker, or just someone curious about this minimalist marvel, we invite you to stay tuned and discover what the hype behind the iPhone 3 is all about. Welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the latest tech news. And if you do, consider supporting us through the link in the description below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue delivering quality content. First, let us talk about the design and build quality of the iPhone 3. iPhone has made some significant upgrades to the hardware while retaining its signature minimalist look. Next, let us delve into the display and interface of the iPhone 3. A key differentiator of the iPhone 3 is its operating system, iOS. Let's now discuss the performance and usability of the iPhone 3. Powered by a modest processor, the iPhone 3 is not built for multitasking or intensive operations. We will also discuss the audio and core quality of the iPhone 3. Let's now explore the camera and photography aspects of the iPhone 3. Moving on to the software and privacy aspects of the iPhone 3. Finally, let us address the battery life of the iPhone 3. A standout feature of the iPhone 3 is its remarkable battery life. In conclusion, let's talk about who the iPhone 3 is for. So does the iPhone 3 live up to its promise of less is more? Absolutely. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.